Just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still love me? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still love me? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to love me. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. Just love me.
I need your loving, so fresh, so clean. Loving in and out, I'm feeling lean.
Good morning, Habibis, Habibi, 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 Haludina, Habibi, 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 Haludina. Good morning. So, okay, so I want to do vlogs, but it gets really hard to do vlogs because my life isn't that really interesting because I work from home, right? And I don't have a lot of things to do, right? So when I get like productive, like when I get a week that is busy, I'll be carrying you guys. So I will not be doing like the usual vlogs where people just do their everyday, even if they're staying at home. No, I'm not gonna be boring. I'm not gonna be boring. Anyway, today is Tuesday. And tomorrow I'm going for a sleepover to a friend's place. So today I wanna fix my wig. So I've been learning how to fix my wig through YouTube, and it's been really good. I've fixed like a lot of wigs, and I'm practicing until I get perfect. So that's the plan. Fix my wig. I have meetings from 12 to around 2. So I'll fix my wig. Oh my goodness, where did you go? See how this, come on. Sometimes this camera really icks me. So today the plan is fix my wig, get into meetings, marinate food for today, fish. We're eating salmon. What else? Go buy alcohol, iron my clothes for tomorrow, because tomorrow we are having a podcast. I've been invited for a podcast, so that's exciting, and I'll take you guys with me. So I'll take you guys with me when my life is interesting. If I'm just staying home, girl, bye. Girl, bye. So let's fix this hair and I'll show you guys how I do it. I'm not a pro. I'm not a pro as to pack. If you feel like to pack, but I do what I do best, okay? I hope you enjoy this vloggy vlog. Vloggy who? Vloggy who? Vloggy vlog. Bye.
She said, take your time, what's no rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm on one. She said, take your time, what's no rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm on one. I'm a dog, I'm on one. I can smoke already, so cold in my blood, yeah. I see fast, pretty fading, so I got trouble trusting, yeah. But I let my guard down for you. Said I put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can bring my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's so rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a
Hours later, I showered. I finished my hair. So I put this style, this and hair on top. That's it. I wanted to do the rolling, but trust me, making this was hectic enough. I was extremely tired. The back looks like this. Quality of quantity, darling. By the way, my perfume that I ordered from Yara finally arrived. Smells amazing. I smell like cherry. Already sprayed it, so it was that and this as well. I bought 2. So excited. Now actually guys, I'm packing. or rather I am ironing and packing for tomorrow. Let me show you. Let's see if y'all can see me. See this? This is the outfit of tomorrow. I want to iron it because it's that type of outfit where you need to iron. You need to iron it. I've already packed. My Chloe bag is there with my sleepover clothes because I'm staying at my friend's. Yeah, so I'll iron real quick and then marinate. Okay, I haven't sat even 2 minutes. Marinate salmon for dinner. Then I need to go and buy alcohol because I need to go with alcohol to her place. Yeah, and then that's it. I'm tired. Yo. See, you can see how bad it is here because I don't know how to do it that perfectly, but there I haven't even combed the hair, like I haven't even put water. Good morning. It's the next morning. It's Wednesday. Outfit of the day. It's giving old money. Anyway, guys, today is Wednesday. I'm going for a podcast and then a sleepover at my friend's. I like the way I look today because what? Like it's giving what it's supposed to be giving. Done my makeup. Let me show you guys. Done my makeup. My hair is done. Did it myself. And the outfit is this. So that when I'm talking about business, you know it's serious. Yeah? It's not about jokes. We are serious. Okay? Anyway, guys, let's head out because the more I stay here, I'll be late. But I don't think I'll be late. I'm a bit earlier today. Alright? So, of course, I'm going to take you with me. Let's go. Guys, let me post this. Ooh. I made it to Sharjah. Sharjah is very scary to drive. You really have to be very slow and careful. But I made it to Sharjah. I'm going to the podcast. So, yeah. Driving alone is funny and boring at the same time. But anyway, I feel like peeing. Let me look for a toilet. Love you guys. Bye. Girl, your return is a kid. You come to her and she works. I'm a secret.
Long before it all began. Still can't give it up.
1, 2, 3.
Lead me on, but leave before the morning. Even though it's what we want, can't keep it up. But I just don't wanna leave you.
Another episode of the Irresistible Podcasts. Another beautiful day that you get to experience beauty, brains, and awesomeness. I am seated here with the beautiful.
Today I'm doing chef. Next time I'm doing purchasing. This time, so it was more about the enterprise. That's interesting. I just finished my exams, guys. So yes.
Thank you very much. I'm proud of you.
Yeah.
Wow. Were you going to classes?
Yes. Morning, guys. I know I haven't posted after podcast. We went for lunch. And then, sorry guys, YouTube is playing background and I don't want to switch it off. So we went for lunch and then we went and chilled at Priscilla's place. But now I'm staying at my friend's. She's there cooking something. So I am here showering. It's currently midday. But anyway, I'm going home today. So it's a slow kind of day. Excited. Let me see if I can vlog for now. Like what's happening now. Okay.
Only because you ain't here. You're true. Promise to please ya. If you're open fire, then it's treason. And I decide to go out swinging. If I can't feel it in the air, my cold sweat.
Bush Khalifa.
I don't even care as long as you're laying in my bed. I'm cold, yeah. Would it be one said I'm all in? I couldn't care less as long as you're
Pepe, application tomato. Nikaleta fitina. Inauma lakini nitazoea. Wea ndo nashindwa. Ya nini watu Regina? Hello. Hello there. Hello Habibis. Habibis. Habibas. Hi Habibis. It's Saturday. Yep. That's how bad I am at vlogging. I want to prep because I've got dinner. I've got dinner at 6:30 and it's 3, so it's better to do my makeup right now so that it can stay, because I take like, it's just me, but I take 2 hours to do my makeup. I don't know why, because for me I'm like, it's either make good makeup or no makeup. So, and I avoid makeup like at all costs. So when I'm doing makeup, just know it's a good thing. It's like a big deal. It's a big deal. No, big deal. Very, very, very important. For real. Oh yeah, I'm a big deal. So, guys, let me do my makeup and then we'll talk, yeah? I'll take you guys with me by the dinner, because it's a nice place. I hear it has like antelopes and those wild animals. Kind of good, right? And I'm driving, so I'm drinking cranberry juice. Usually on weekend I like to drink a glass of wine or 2, but because I'm driving, I can't drink a glass or 2. I gotta drink what I have, but that's fine. Gotta be a good driver. Anyway, we'll talk later, yeah? We'll talk in a bit. Habibis, now I am done. I'm going for more of a natural look today. Not doing a lot in my eyes. Like, I just want a simple look and that's it. Like, I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood of shining stuff. But yeah, I'm ready. Today I literally spent like an hour. That's it. Now let me oil myself and get ready to get out.
Can you play that again?
Let me tap that dog.
I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't simply until I. Whoa, say my name if you love me.
Spending all of my money, tryna see what's up now. I can do this all day like it ain't nothing. Black car, party in the backyard. Shawty got the black bra showing. Tatted up, ass fat enough. She a bad bitch,
she already know it. Yeah, she know it. Yeah, she know it. Yeah, she know it. Yeah, she a bad bitch and she already know it. Yeah, she know it. Yeah, she know it. Yeah, she know it. Yeah, she know it. She gon' make me spend some money on it. Yeah, she know it. Old bank account, I blow it. Go do a show then. Bring some more in. Pockets bigger than a Samoan. I'm in the stage every time. Shout it go in. Shout it go in. Shout it go in. Booty hit the float in. Slow motion. I'm so gone on patrol. I don't know how I'm getting home later on. Like throwing that ass for days. Booty going up, down. I ain't got no problem spending all of my money. Tryna see what's up now. I can do this all day like it ain't nothing. Shout it thick, thicker than a snicker. Every time she do it, it's for me and my niggas. And a friend do it with her. She don't even like girls, but a stack will make her kiss her. Gon' kiss her, gon' kiss her, gon' kiss her. She don't even like girls, but a stack will make her kiss her. Gon' kiss her, gon' kiss her, gon' kiss her. She keep fucking around, I'ma watch dismissal. Gon' kiss her. She make us rock, then jiggle. Put on the show then, bring that dough in. Booty bigger than a Samoan. I'm in the stage every time, shout it go in. Shout it go in, shout it go in. Booty hit the float in, slow motion. I'm so gone on patrol. I don't know how I'm getting home later on. Like throwing that ass for days. Booty going up, down. I ain't got no problem spending all of my money. Tryna see what's up now. I can do this all day like it ain't nothing.
Yeah, and you know it. Look at how she throw it. If it get any bigger, baby girl gon' have to tow it. Sitting on the memes like Floyd, but she lied to you if she said I paid for it. Nigga, 99 broads, 99 broads. Panoramic view from the 99th floor. I'm like, my lord, when she down on all fours. Got a hood bitch with me, she ain't scared to take a charge. Flying by in a car, you don't know what you saw. She adjusting the bras, I'm lighting up a cigar. They was writing me off, now I arrive like a star. I just sit back and laugh at the irony of it all. Let them bands go, let them bands go. Watch a nigga throw a grand of soap on that camel toe. And be like, damn boy, why you cuffing that whore? The whole team smashed and you ain't even know it, God.
I ain't even know it, ain't know it. Take the car here to the stage, then you seen a nigga throw it, throwing that ass for days. Booty going up, down. I ain't got no problem spending all of my money. Tryna see what's up now. I can do this all day like it ain't nothing.
Follow me, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business call me out, choosing violence.